Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I am so excited to share with you an emerald makeup look. I am a May baby and my birthstone is the emerald, so that's where the inspiration comes from today. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, now that the hair is prepped, let's go ahead and hop right into the makeup look. Once my eyes are prepped, I'm adding a nice light brown shade into the crease and then continuing on with a nice deeper, darker brown shade. Once those are nice and blended to my liking, I'm going to pick up some tape. Now I want the edge to be really, really sharp, so tape's not my favorite thing to achieve this, but it works great. It was handy and it does the job. Now with a nice jumbo pencil here, it's a beautiful light green shade. I'm going to blend this out with my finger, and then once that's complete, we're going to add the shadows. Now this is a nice light green and medium green shade that I mixed together, and then for the outer third, it's a beautiful dark shimmer green. I'm going to kind of pack that into the outer third and then blend it into the nice medium green shade and then flick it out of the outer corner so it's a really nice sharp edge. And then right smack dab in the middle with my finger, I applied a really, really nice shimmery light green. Once that is all complete, blend out that edge with a nice brown. Now for the eyeliner, oh, I love doing eyeliner with tape or something with a nice edge there because it makes the eyeliner so sharp. Now I'm going to town with my eyeliner today, so I'm pulling it out to a nice large wing, but then keeping the eyeliner across my lash line very thin. So once that is done, removing the tape, and once that tape is removed and it is gone and hopefully no skin went with it, I'm gonna take another really fine tipped eyeliner and just sharpen up and clean up the edge there. Now watch out, you don't get cut because that's a pretty sharp wing, but we got to catch up the other eye and my face, and I cannot forget the brow. So here I go. For the under eye, I'm going to sweep some of the darker brown very sloppily from inner to outer corner. Then with the jumbo pencil, I'm concentrating that on the waterline and my inner corner, and then just going to quickly blend it out with my finger. Here I'm going to go ahead and mix the light and medium green shade and go 2/3 across my lower lash line, and then adding that really beautiful dark green shimmer shade to the outer third. Once those are all placed, I'm just very lightly going to add that nice light green shimmer shade, make everything pop. And then of course, like we blended the top portion, use that same nice brown shade to blend the bottom. And highlight, can't forget the highlight. So it's a nice white shimmer shadow, and just brow bone, inner corner, boom. All right, for the next section here, I'm going to be doing some kind of light contouring, mainly contouring my nose, and then just more kind of bronzing everywhere else, and then adding my blush as well. Felt like my bottom lash line needed a little bit more oomph, so that's what I added to it, a little bit of dark shadow to the outer third, and then quickly slapping on some false lashes and a coat of mascara for the top and bottom lashes. Oh, my favorite part, I love highlighting. So I'm going to hit the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, those cheekbones. We want to shimmer, we want to shine, and of course, sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. Now, something I like to do after adding my setting spray, I just use a little bit of matte powder and hit my forehead, my cheekbones, and my chin. Gotta live the matte life. Now for the lipstick, this is one of my favorite shades from Kat Von D. This is Lolita. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Then of course let that air dry. And then once that is all nice and complete and on dry, I'm going to go ahead and give my curls here a little fluff, bring a little more life to them, and a little change of nail color, and we are rocking. So this is the final look, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you did, I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope that you guys will come back and join me next Monday for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait for next week's video. It's my Get Ready With Me birthday edition for makeup and hair. All right, can't wait to see you guys then. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Oh, I think I overlapped my list a little bit.